Thanks for purchasing the Ryobi 18-inch 51cc 2-stroke petrol chainsaw. By now, you should have registered your chainsaw. If you haven't, go to ryobi.com.au/myryobi to register now. In the box, you'll find the fully assembled chainsaw, a chain and bar scabbard, a chain tensioning tool, a bottle of chain and bar oil, a bottle of 2-stroke oil, and a comprehensive manual. Before starting the chainsaw, first fill the reservoir with chain and bar lubricant. Next, you need to correctly tension the chain. To do this, be sure the engine isn't running. Disengage the chain brake. Make sure the bar mounting nuts are loosened to finger tight. To increase the chain tension, turn the chain tensioning screw clockwise with the tool provided. Check the chain tension frequently. To check tension, pull the chain down away from the middle of the bar. Correctly tensioned chains should have a gap of 3 to 4 millimeters from the bar. Finally, tighten the bar mounting nuts by turning them clockwise 180 degrees. Don't over-tighten. During use, the chain will stretch. Check the tension frequently and adjust as required. When you've finished, loosen the chain so that it won't stretch permanently as it cools. Adding fuel. Mix fuel to a ratio of 50 parts of unleaded petrol to 1 part of 2-stroke oil. Fill the chainsaw fuel tank by removing the cap, filling the reservoir, and replacing the cap. Cold start procedure. Make sure the chain brake is on. Press and release the primer bulb at least 10 times. Set the choke lever to full choke position. Pull the starter grip until the engine attempts to start, but no more than 3 times. Set the choke lever to half choke position. Pull the starter grip until the engine starts, but no more than 5 times. Depress the trigger release and squeeze the throttle trigger. Then, release the throttle to return the engine to idle. Allow the engine to idle for 30 seconds. Warm start procedure. Make sure the chain brake is on. Set the choke lever to half choke position. Pull the starter grip until the engine starts, but no more than 5 times. Depress the trigger release and squeeze the throttle trigger. Then, release the throttle to return the engine to idle. We recommend all chainsaw users wear protective gloves, ear and eye protection, steel-capped footwear, and, where possible, safety chaps. After using your chainsaw, we recommend you clean it thoroughly. Make sure the engine is off. Remove the sprocket cover. Remove the bar and chain. Clear away debris with a brush or cloth. For more information on this or any Ryobi product, visit our website.
Ryobi, a cut above.